They used to sing to the gardens. The little girls and the kids would be up on a stand. They're like watchers, and they would sing songs when people were out planting, also to keep the energy up and to keep the work going, but to help things grow. They would be doing quill work or embroidery or other things while they were sitting up there, chase the birds away, chase the boys away that would come and steal the green corn and make, roast it on the fire somewhere. It wasn't quite ready yet or whatever, for harvesting. So there's always people putting out vibrations to help things grow, to help things heal.